Don't ever let the devil come to you and make you doubt. He comes to you and he makes you think to yourself, I was too sinful. I don't think that Allah is actually going to have mercy on me. I think I was really, really nasty. I was really bad. No. In the same way that when a person reverts and declares their shahada, enters the fold of Islam, we believe that innal Islam yajubbu ma qablah, that everything prior to that would be deleted completely in terms of sin and negativity. In that same way, when you engage in tawbah and repentance and you turn to Allah seeking forgiveness, everything evil you've done or the things that you are seeking forgiveness from would actually be totally wiped out. Totally wiped out. So don't doubt that. Allah tells us not to lose hope in His mercy. قل يا عبادي الذين أسرفوا على أنفسهم لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله إن الله يغفر الذنوب جميعا إنه هو الغفور الرحيم. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell my worshippers, those who have transgressed against themselves, those who have committed sin, those who have done wrong, those who've involved in that which would be displeasing to me, tell them never lose hope in the mercy of Allah. لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله. Never lose hope, never become hopeless regarding the mercy of Allah. Why? The verse continues to say, for indeed Allah will forgive all the sins that you've committed, all of them. And indeed, He is most forgiving, most merciful. Wow. So what happens is, people sometimes lead a life filled with sin, filled with bad habits. And at the end, Allah gives them an opportunity sometime in their lives to actually turn to Him and to seek forgiveness. Step number one after seeking forgiveness is never let the devil come to you to doubt the acceptance of that forgiveness. By the will of Allah, I've never seen a verse, I've never seen a hadith where it says those who are genuinely seeking the forgiveness of Allah are rejected, they are turned away, and Allah abandons them. No, that will never happen. Allah loves you enough to forgive you. So no matter what you've done, just turn back to Allah. Become a better person every day.